Hello everyone, I am Professor Pallavi Sharda Garg and I take care subjects in the area of IT and marketing. IT is something which people think that why it has been taken in a field like management. What are we going to do with a subject like IT here? But IT is not only about softwares, it is also the application part that is being incorporated in every industry these days. That's why in our curriculum also we have got few subjects that are IT related or have got some use of IT which will be utilized by our budding CEOs that is creative, enlightened, organic leaders as we talked about them. So there are various subjects like computer skills for managers, then we have got e-business, then we have got management information systems, very important constituent that is required by every manager before he goes into the corporate world, he needs to know about them. Then we have got digital and internet marketing. I'm sure everyone must have heard about the upcoming field of Google search, SEO, SEM, these all things. And then there is an important subject of customer relationship management, which is also a very in thing today because everything is about customers and you need to know about them. And there is where a new subject has itself come up for the students. So I'll start with computer skills for managers that we take in term 1. Before I tell about the subject, let me tell you that at IBA we focus on bringing in the real life things for the students so that they can benefit more from the subject apart from being only totally sticking with the concepts. So first of all is computer skills for managers, in which we have got basic introduction about Excel, about PowerPoint. These are the skills that are required by every manager. Even if you make your resume, every person or every recruiter first of all checks that do you have these basic skills with you or not. So that's why this particular course has been designed keeping these things in mind, that a person before he enters into the corporate, he requires Excel skills for himself, and this Excel is further utilized in analytics, in operations, in finance, every field wherever you talk about, you require these basic skills. And then the presentation skills that are given through the help of PowerPoint. Now that is about first trimester. Then we move on to the subject of management information systems. This subject is another important topic. It is not only about IT that we talk about here. We tell them that how this IT is actually helping the managers in decision making. What are the various types of information systems that are present in the organization and what type of information is given to the managers so that they can take decisions. At various levels in the hierarchy, there are various different types of information systems which are utilized. So the benefit of each one of them, how are they going to help these people once they go into the corporates, and how it will help them in decision making, that is told to the students. Apart from that, various case studies are brought into their subject so that the people or the students can come to know that how the various companies have, how the companies have actually implemented these softwares or information systems and how they have benefited in their total working processes. The business processes are totally changed once you bring these things into the organization. In trimester 3, we have got subject of e-business. Now e-business means something which is online. It is the world of today, it is the world of being online for everyone. Be it me through the way of surfing, or be it the corporates through which they want to know about the competition they have got in the market. So to be competitive, everyone wants to be into this particular segment. So for this particular thing, we have introduced a basic of e-business into our management course. E-business is not only about what is happening online or any type of online transaction that is happening. It is also about how you are interacting with your suppliers in the online domain, how you are interacting with your customers in the online domain. It is not only how you are working when you are giving online order, when you are working on the website. It is also how you are managing with your partners, your suppliers, your logistic people, how you are managing all of them, but with the e part there, with the internet part there. That is about the e-business subject. In this particular subject, the students are asked to prepare a business plan which has to be unique, which should have feasibility once it comes into the market. And this business plan is then realized in the trimester 4, where the students are going to design an entire website and has to design that how this business is going to function for them. This is taken in trimester 4 with the help of the subject of digital and internet marketing.